Hey, wanted to shoot a quick video showing how to prevent your hydrant from freezing. I have this specifically for my camper. What I have, well actually this is going to help with a few things. Will help with the preventing from this from freezing, but also helping with preventing this hose from freezing and the lines underneath the camper. First of all, I've got my heated hose. This is on Amazon. It was like 150 bucks, 100 footer. And then also, let's see, I've got this, I think it's called Frost King pipe heater, which wraps around this pipe here. Technically they say to come up and then over the top and down. Personally, I've seen everyone else do this online where they just wrap it. They just said make sure it doesn't overlap with the existing heater. Like, don't have this overlap with an existing part because it can cause overheating and potentially a fire. You have the little thermostat, which is right here. You just have to make sure that's making direct contact with the pipe so it can identify to see how cold it is, so it can actually turn on at the right times. And what I'm going to be adding next is this pipe wrap insulation tape. Make sure it is good for heat because there's a few different kinds. So I'm going to wrap that and I'll show you in a second. So there you are. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but that's the insulation tape. You have the heated part like underneath it. And what I'm going to do is grab this bag and here, just put that over it and pull the strings, or just tie them together. Give me a second. All right, there you go. The bag's on there. It's an insulation bag. You can find that at Menards or on Amazon. And all we have to do is just go ahead and plug this in. And what I like to do is have this plugged into, so there's actually two things plugged in. This is the pipe heater. I'm gonna be plugging that in a second. And then I've got this other plug, which goes to the heated hose, the blue hose, that goes to the camper. And they both have sensors on it to where it detects what temperature it is and turns on automatically. Let me go ahead and plug this in. I've got a GFCI, so, okay, I need both hands. Give me a second. Actually, here. There. So both heaters are plugged in now. I have a GFCI splitter right there. You can find that on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description. And then the extension cable, which just goes to an outlet right over there. But yeah, that's my setup. Let me show you a little bit more. So for the camper, I've got my skirting that wraps around. I got a little bit of hay here just because I'm out in the country and it adds a little bit more R value. But yeah,